Assalamu alaikum viewer. Today our topic is economics of higher education. Before the starting video, I request you to subscribe my channel, like and share. The economics of the education is essentially concerned with the way in which education can affect economic activity and with the way in which economic analysis can be applied to education. On the basis of this knowledge, policy makers will make policy choice, one of which may be pushed out of the proposed policies. policies. During recent years, institutions of higher education have faced higher cost and lower government financial support. For most institutions, this situation has created a greater need than ever before to increase revenues from private gift. With more challenges, colleges and universities, not to mention other non-profit organizations and fund rising has become more complex and sophisticated technologically and ethically, and even more expensive. Administrators with want to know the money invested in fund rising is producing maximum result, and fund risers are under pressure to account for fund rising expenditure and performance. Administrators and fundraisers from different institutions have reached no consensus about how to define fundraising effectiveness or successes at many institutions. In spite of a general understanding of the vast difference between types of institutions, board members and others still make totally inappropriate comparison of their institution fundraising result to those of institutions with considerably greater assets that fund rising costs money at all. It is still a contention point on some campuses, and even on all campuses. Question arise about how much to spend on fund rising. In this unit, it is explained what is investment in human resources, wastage in higher education, cost effectiveness and financing of higher education. It is hoped that our reader will enjoy this different taste. Overall objects. It is hoped that study of this unit will enable the student to analyze the role of investment in human resources for the development of higher education, relate the higher education with economic productivity, productivity and overall well-being of the individual and society, identify the impact of wastage in higher education. indicates the specific contribution of to enhancing of higher education in the development process of the country. That's it for today. Come back.